In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove the background from a logo using Photoshop. Whether you're looking to integrate your logo seamlessly into different environments or simply need a clear background for design purposes, this method will streamline the process. Let's get started. First, you'll want to open up Adobe Photoshop on your computer. If you don't have it installed yet, you can find it by searching for Adobe Photoshop on your preferred web browser and downloading it from the official website. Once you have Photoshop open, the next step is to add your image. This is crucial because we'll be working with the logo you wish to modify. Simply click on File at the top left corner, select Open, and choose the image file from your computer. Having your logo readily available will make the process smoother. Now, with your image loaded into Photoshop, it's time to focus on selecting the object. For this task, Photoshop's Magic Wand tool is incredibly handy. You'll find it in the toolbar on the left-hand side. Click on it, then use the Select Subject button that appears at the top of the screen. Photoshop will automatically select the main subject of your image, which in this case is your logo. If there are any areas that need further adjusting, you can hold down the Shift key and click to add more areas or the Alt key to remove them. Once you're satisfied with your selection, you'll want to proceed with copying the selected area. This is simple to do. Just press Ctrl and C on your keyboard simultaneously to copy the logo. After that, move on to pasting. Press Ctrl and V to paste the selection onto a new layer. This action ensures your logo is separated from the background. It's a crucial step as it allows you to modify or delete the background without affecting the logo itself. With the logo safely on its own layer, the task at hand is to delete the unwanted background. Click on the background layer in the Layers panel to ensure it's selected, and press the Delete key. This removes the background, leaving only your logo. Finally, let's make sure you save the file properly to maintain that transparent background. Click on File once more, then Save As. In the Save options, choose PNG as your format. PNG files support transparency, which is perfect for logos as it allows them to be placed over any background without that pesky white box around them. And there you have it. Your logo now has a transparent background and is ready for use. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment below. Happy designing!